Thursday boots. Just got my package in. Open it. It's my little Civivi Elementum knife. It works really well. Love it. Thursday boots. So I got two pairs of boots here. I've got the Chelsea boots, the Cavalier Sequoia. That's the new one that they released recently, which is the buffalo leather, and that's this box right here. And the second pair is the Vanguard service boot in the French roast color, which is more of a natural color. But that's just for another time. Alright, so here we are with the unboxing of the Cavalier in Sequoia Buffalo leather. Comes with a neat little card. Just the inspection card. Just packaging, which makes a nice stand, by the way. Next up we have this really awesome bag that was really nice of them to add to the package here. Nice little cloth bag. And then of course there's the smell. Ugh, when you open it up, it just smells so great. So I really like the look of these boots. These are not too dressy, but they're definitely more dressy than their Duke, which is more on the rugged side. And this buffalo leather is just such a great color. I really, really love it. It just has subtle hints of coloration here and there, darker color here and there. This is fully Goodyear welted, or 360 degree all the way around. Just beautiful, very well made. And as you can see, looking from the top, they really have a nice, slightly pointy silhouette, but they remind me of like a dress boot or a cowboy boot a little bit. Love the coloring on the leather soles, just beautiful. And here we are. Voila! That's my best Price is Right impression. Okay, so looking at these outside with some raw denim, they really, really go well with that. You can dress these up or dress them down whichever way you want. Wear jeans, wear khakis, and they're extremely comfortable right out of the box. They don't take much break-in at all. The leather's not all that thick. I would say the buffalo is about 2 millimeters thick, and then you've got a little bit of maybe a millimeter thick glove lining on the inside, so they're very, very comfortable right off the bat. Again, not a lot of break-in time, but these are just beautiful. So as you can see in these overhead shots, very, very nice silhouette, very good shape, good look to them, not too dressy, my preferred style of Chelsea boot. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We'll see you next time.